Hello everyone, how are you all? We decided to go on a trekking trip to Dhoni Waterfalls on a weekend getaway. So, Dhoni is situated at around 15 kilometers from Palakkad town in Kerala, India. It is the location of Dhoni Waterfalls and the Western Ghat. So, we will take you to the foothills. A 3-hour trek from the base of the Dhoni Hills will take you to the pristine beauty of nature, and the lush green surroundings will rejuvenate your senses. The trekking starts at the foot of the hills near the Teak plantation. A narrow mountain way is there for four-wheel drives and bikes that lead up to the waterfalls. However, private vehicles are prohibited from traveling these roads. They have also provided parking spaces to park your vehicles outside the entrance, and once you enter you will have to buy a ticket which will cost you 120 rupees, and then you need to provide your ID proof and get yourself registered. Once we entered, we saw this elephant. This 4-kilometer long trekking trail through the lush green environs bestows one with a quite isolated space to witness nature in its most tranquil form. So this guided trek will start from 10:30 a.m. in the mornings. So more time can be spent in the company of the gorgeous waterfall. Well, this was a trek after several years, so we decided to carry few water bottles to hydrate ourselves, and we got our mobile phones charged well so that we can take some good pictures and we can shoot some good videos. Also, make sure that we wear nice shoes or sandals, as you will find a lot of small stones on your way. The waterfalls are full during monsoon, and it overflows with beautiful small streams gushing down. So the best time to visit is during monsoon season, which is from June month to October month. Bathing in the waterfall is not allowed due to safety reasons. The return journey is comparatively easy, lasting usually from 45 to an hour. Dhoni is a wonderful spot for ecotourism. Take a quiet walk with Mother Nature. It will nurture your mind, body, and soul. On our way, we found a few monkeys and few butterflies. So there is a warning board here which says visitors are requested to keep themselves away from the deep pond below the waterfalls. This pond became death trap for 6 human lives in the last years. Enjoy scenic beauty and return. So it took us around 1 hour and 30 minutes to cover this 4-kilometer uphill trek with a few short breaks. So to see this beautiful view of this waterfalls, and once you go uphill the temperature will be down and you can feel the cold water. You can also find many fishes in this waterfalls. So we believe that bathing in the waterfalls is not allowed due to safety reasons. So you can visit there with your legs and take pictures with your friends and family and sit there, enjoy the weather, enjoy the water, and then you can return. After visiting this beautiful Dhoni waterfalls, I would like to say that all nature lovers will absolutely love this place.